Sudden and extended lockdown in the tough time of financial crisis may prompt anger and agitation within the family. But it must always be kept in mind that many kinds of mental, physical, and even financial crises are attributable to anger itself. Therefore, in tense moments, we should try our best to control ourselves. Restraining anger is one of the most magnificent characteristics of the people of paradise. Polite answer, kind explanation of the justification for our work or intention, skipping or postponing the discussion which is provoking anger, changing the posture of sitting, standing or lying, and making wuzu or reciting A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem will help to restrain anger. If the children demand something unavailable at home, instead of anger, it's better to pacify them by giving or promising a more interesting substitute which is lawful and feasible. Watching authentic videos of the Prophet's stories or any informative video prepared in Islamic way will also be quite useful.